Hi everyone. So today I'm here to show you the prospects of Java and statistics about its current popularity. So we will quickly go to a very authentic online resource called as Tiobe. So this is Tiobe, and which conducts a real-time research on popularity of programming languages. So we'll look for the Tiobe index for July 2018, and here is the Tiobe index. So as you can see, still Java ranks on the top and its popularity is also increasing. So Java is at #1 spot, and it will remain at the #1 spot for years to come because of its easy scalability, platform independence, and its multi-threaded nature and its speed. So and another reason is that to go for Java is that it is simpler to move from Java to Android, because even for Android programming it uses Java SDK. So moving from Java to Android is also way simpler. Now some people have a concern. They make a comparison between Java and Python. So as of now there is no comparison. I don't see any comparison between Java and Python. Python is a fast upcoming language, and the reason for Python's growth as of now, if some of you may know about it, it is because of data science. And why is Python preferred for data science? Well, it's a very bizarre reason, and things would change in years to come, that is for sure. First of all, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, these are not primarily the topics that are coming from software engineering, but these are topics that are coming from mathematics, market research, people of market research. So at a foundation level, it is not a part of software engineering or programming or computer science, but it has originated from mathematical backgrounds. Now since it originated from mathematical background, the researchers wanted a kind of a language which is way simpler to learn. It has a shorter learning curve, and Python is that kind of a language which has a very short learning curve as compared to Java. So they wanted to quickly start creating algorithms, all the researchers, and they wanted a language which can be learned quickly and they can start to create algorithms, and that is where Python was an easier option. So I won't say for the people who developed several algorithms and did some computing on it, probably it wasn't well evaluated, but the researchers wanted a language which is way easier to just start coding, to learn and start coding, and that is where Python came in. Now there's a big myth that Python is fast, but no, Python isn't fast. That's annoying. Well, Python is about 20 times slower than Java. So with Java, it's multi-threaded and multi-architectural APIs that work on multi-core processors, I should say. Java turns out to be way more faster, way more scalable, and it has a huge library. Secondly, Java has a very respectable library for data science also. So you can use Java programming languages for Hadoop, Apache Spark. So anyhow, I'm absolutely sure then in years to come, in years to come, Java would take away this merit from Python because of its speed and its good structure and its platform independence, scalability, and multi-threaded platform and speed. So that's about where Java stands today and where is it going to stand in years to come. Another important thing that I found here is the mention of TypeScript. TypeScript is a relatively newer language, and as you can see that TypeScript is slowly becoming new and improved JavaScript, and the reason is the rising popularity of Angular, which is the successor, the next version, the successor of AngularJS. So this is also something that I've mentioned in my previous presentation. Now, moving on to let's take a look at the prospects of Java 8 from the job point of view. So you can see the skills. I'm going to add some skills here on Naukri.com, which is the #1 job search engine. So we have Java 8. Let me put Java 8. Let me put Spring. Let me put AngularJS. Alright, JS. And let me put a NoSQL like MongoDB. Okay, and let me simply search for the jobs. So you can see that with Java I'll just let me put, not everyone puts Java 8, so the human resource managers just go ahead with Java. So you can see that I just changed Java. So you can see that you will find Java technology, and you can see Java, Spring, MVC, Spring, AngularJS, Hibernate. You can see Java, Spring, MVC, AngularJS, MongoDB, Spring, Java, and microservices. Microservices, if somebody is saying microservices along with Spring, actually they're meaning Spring Boot, which we've mentioned here. Full stack developer, Java, Spring, MVC, Spring, AngularJS, Hibernate, AngularJS, Spring. There is also mention of Python somewhere. Spring Security, Core Java, Spring MVC. Mean stack. Mean is it is MongoDB, AngularJS, Node.js. It's a JavaScript stack. Then you see Spring Framework and Maven. So let's also, somebody has mentioned, if MongoDB, AngularJS, Spring, Java. So you see that if you look at the number of postings with Java, Spring, AngularJS, MongoDB, they are 28,893, approximately 30,000, which right now. So Now most of these job postings would be relevant for say about a month. So you can say there are 30,000 jobs in this uh, in these technologies mentioned by Naukri.com just for a month, within this month. So that's a humongous amount, and so that's where this is the latest stack, and I think this is the stack to look forward to and grab as early as possible. Thank you from Raghav and PeopleTree Technologies.